Every day, thousands of passengers use the constantly expanding metro network in the capital of Minas Gerais. Continuous maintenance is essential to ensure the safe and smooth operation of rail systems. It guarantees operational stability and a smooth flow of traffic in a bustling city.
When it comes to passenger transport, we are working with very limited time slots available for maintenance work. We need to automate our process and make the most of the limited maintenance windows. That's why we invest specifically in machines that offer high efficiency and productivity.
To meet these requirements, expert engineering is essential. Plasser & Theurer has decades of experience in the maintenance of rail systems. In Belo Horizonte, the Plasser 0816 split-head tamping machine represents this expertise. It was designed specifically to serve urban rail systems to the highest standards.
The Plasser 0816 split head is perfect for passenger transport here because it can be used both on plain line track and in turnout areas.
Compact, precise, and highly versatile, this machine has been designed for complex track geometries.
It has a smaller curve radius and a compact design, making it particularly well suited for use in passenger transport systems. It also has a third rail lifting unit, which makes turnout tamping easier. This unit makes it possible to switch from working on plain line track to turnouts and back to plain line track without interruption. There's no need to use a different machine. It can also be used to tamp turnouts. In the past, we didn't have a suitable machine for this task and had to tamp turnouts manually. Today, using machinery greatly improves safety while also extending the service life.
In urban rail systems, the time available for maintenance work is limited. Maintenance is carried out during short time slots, often in the early hours of the morning. Work is fast-paced, decisions must be made quickly, and there is no room for error when carrying them out. In such scenarios, performance is key.
Safety at work is non-negotiable. This means that we always comply with the applicable maintenance guidelines. This machine enables us to carry out highly reliable and flexible track maintenance in accordance with the relevant standards. Ultimately, the users of the system will benefit from a more reliable line.
With advanced diagnosis and real-time monitoring, the Plasser & Theurer tamping machine represents state-of-the-art technology.
It was truly impressive to witness this modernization, the more ergonomic design and the arrangement of the controls in the control station. Instead of having a large number of controls in the cab and potentially compromising working comfort, we now opt for a much more compact design. Everything is digital, readily accessible, easy to understand, and simple to use.
The Datamatic enables remote monitoring, while the PIC control system speeds up on-site decision-making. The result is more predictable operations with fewer standstills and more efficient use of resources.
We are improving the quality of mobility because fewer disruptions mean greater reliability.
For Metro Belo Horizonte, this goes far beyond just operation.
We invest in machines that have been on the market for many years and are recognized for their reliability and level of expertise, and Plasser is undoubtedly a leading name. It's no coincidence that we've been using our Plasser machine for over 30 years. This machine will remain in service for a long time too.
Greater safety in day-to-day operations, improved reliability of rail transport, and the necessary foundation for preparing the network for new lines and connections.
Working with Plasser & Theurer is every railway worker's dream.
Plasser & Theurer, technology that makes mobility in our cities possible.